it real. I'm independent, I don't need no deal. I'm jaws on the beat, I got flow that kills. Do my ting with a few G's, Lauren Hill.
Drum Synth is another new feature added to Logic 10.5, and it's a synthetic drum synthesizer, which is fantastically useful for creating electronic music, especially, for example, here's the default kit. But because we've got the ability to change the pitch, tone, saturation, shape, and all sorts, we can completely make it our own. However, each synth has these limited controls, so you can't go too far astray from it being what it necessarily is. Everything here, for example, will always create a heavy kick. However, we can always do, for example, a punchy kick. And see how we get different parameters for each type of synth design. When we change the overall synth to say snares and claps, percussion, or hats and cymbals, we get a separate synth engine. So let's do Command and D and put another pattern in to make some hi-hats. This way you can individually make each drum sound you desire and tweak it to your heart's content, making the kit completely your own. And speaking of kits, Drum Machine Designer, available from the drummer, has also been completely reworked, introducing lots of the new controls from the newly updated sampler. Making each noise within itself completely tweakable. We can very quickly add fades, we can slice the sample. And make other adjustments to build a kit very, very quickly. I hope that's been helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one.
Keep it real, I'm independent, I don't need no deal. I'm jaws on the beat, I got flow that kills. Do my ting with a few G's, Lauren Hill.